Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Naughty Threads. In case you are new here, please consider subscribing and also hit the bell icon to get all the future updates. So in today's video, we will learn how to make this beautiful Ghungroo necklace. I've never posted something like this earlier. I kind of like this pattern and I also love the sound it creates when you wear it. It's really mesmerizing. So that's why I thought of sharing it with you all. I hope you guys like this video, so please watch till the end. Now without any delay, let's get started. To make the necklace, I'm going to use the silver gear wire, this kind of round pendant, crystals. If you want, you can also use cotton thread beads instead of crystals, and then some ghungroos like this. Actually, you will need a lot of these because it's a ghungroo necklace, and then a back dory with a long rib like this. This is a cotton dory. So first we'll just start with adding this pendant to the gear wire. I forgot to mention, as usual, you will need a medium sized jump ring and some crimp beads to crimp the necklace. So after the pendant, I'm going to add one crystal each on either sides. This is a 10 mm crystal I'm using, and all this material is available on our site. You can take a look if you want. So this is how it should look, and then we'll just keep adding ghungroos. It's a very simple necklace. This complete empty gear wire length you see, we're just going to add ghungroos. So it looks really nice once it is complete. So I've added ghungroos on both the sides. Now we are only left with fixing this dory to the necklace, for which we'll use the crimp beads. So here are the crimp beads, they're very tiny. So I'll first add 2 crimp beads to this gear wire. Then pass this inside this loop and pass the gear wire back into the crimp beads. And then we'll press them flat. Crimping the first side is always easy. The second side we'll have to be very careful because we have to make sure no empty thread is seen. I'm going to trim the excess, slide all of these to this side to cover the empty wire. And then we'll repeat the exact same thing on the other side. So for the earring, I'm using this kind of chandbali base, and I've just added a few crystals so that it matches along with the necklace. So this is the base, this is how it looks. It has holes like this. So we will need 4 mm crystals, and no, I think this is actually 5 mm, sorry. This one is 10 mm what I've used in the necklace, and this is 5 mm. You'll need a hook, some eye pins. So first we'll open the eye pins and we'll fix it to this one and we'll close it. Repeat the same thing with the other one. And then we'll add 2 crystals on the first eye pin. Bend it and trim off the excess. I'm going to leave a little long, this part a little longer, so that when we loop it, it kind of moves easily. So this is the length I've cut from the other piece. So keeping this as a measurement, I've cut this piece as well. Now we'll just make a loop like this. Do the exact same thing with the other eye pin as well. Now this is how it should look. Both look like a question mark here. Now you just have to add this earring hook like this. But make sure you're adding it in the right direction. Once you have both in this hook, you just have to press this and tighten it. So if you don't keep this loop long, then it won't hang like this. It might tend to stay stiff. So this is the earring. This is how it looks once the set is complete. It looks really nice. It can be made for children as well to wear it with their traditional outfit. The sound it creates is really nice. I'm saying this again and again because once you make it, you will know what I exactly mean. So the earrings are also very lightweight. You can just wear it with your daily wear office outfits as well. So yeah, this is how it looks. I'm just trying to cover in all angles. I really like the way it turned out, so I hope you guys like it too. Do mention your thoughts in the comment section so that I know how you guys are liking my videos. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Pinterest. Also consider joining us or joining Naughty Threads channel on YouTube. I welcome all the new members. I'll be taking names very soon. Uh, yeah, also subscribe to our other channel, Naughty Vlogs, where I'm posting only Kannada videos. So, requesting all the Kannada subscribers to subscribe to my other channel. Very soon, we will be posting more interesting videos on jewelry making. I know it's been a while, but now we'll continue posting jewelry videos. So I guess that's about it for today. I'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care guys. Bye bye.